Assessment terms: first, second, and third person. What is first person? First person is the I/we perspective. When we talk about ourselves, our opinions, and things that happen to us, we usually speak in the first person. The biggest indication that a sentence is written in the first person is the use of first person pronouns. We, us, our, and ourselves are all first person pronouns. Specifically, they are plural first person pronouns. Singular first person pronouns include I, me, my, mine, and myself. For example, I hope I can make it to work on time. You will use the first person more in assignments with words such as reflect, as you are talking about yourself or your own practice directly. What is second person? Second person is the you perspective. The second person point of view belongs to the person or people being addressed. This is the you perspective. Once again, the biggest indicator of the second person is the use of second person pronouns. You, your, yours, yourself, and yourselves. For example, you must first preheat the oven to 200 degrees. This point of view is usually used in the context of providing instructions or advice, such as in how-to manuals or recipe books. The reason behind using the second person is to engage the reader. What is third person? The third person is the he, she, it, they perspective. The third person point of view belongs to the person or people being talked about. The third person pronouns include he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, theirs, and themselves. Alan went into town to buy himself a new bike. Third person gives your work an element of objectivity and flexibility. When it comes to fiction work, writing in the third person portrays the narrator as a person who is all-knowing.